Hey guys, what up? My name's Jason here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video, I'm gonna be playing, hold on. Dynamons World. Whatever. So yeah, I played this at my friend Zeke's house, or a theater shark. And I wanted to play this with you guys, so here we go. Jovan. Welcome to Camp. I can't pronounce that. Did you come here to become a dynamon captain? Let's start by testing your skills. I'm going to turn down the sound, actually. I've done this before. Avalanche. Bubble burst. Now I'll use this thing. In my opinion, I think you should start with the water blast first, at least. Great potential. Nice. You have great potential. Now choose your dynamon. I like this guy. I chose him last time. Great choice. You make a good team. Now something to give you. Yep. We got 5. How do I call them? Evolvations. If you guys don't know what that is, I don't know what it's called, but if you guys don't know what that does, your dynamon, like, basically, is about to evolve, but you need this to evolve them. There's different types of stones, like there's a grass one, there's a fire one, there's all different types of it, but this one could do any of them. That's probably a health pack. Those are like Pokeballs, but in this kind of game, whatever. These items will be useful in your journey. Seeking for which, let's find a wild dynamon. I fought this guy before, it's so easy. I caught this guy. He's actually really good. Once he levels up to level 3, he has a really cool attack. But I'll let you wait to find out. Since we're low level, we only know one attack, and it's a normal attack, which is annoying. I just want to finish him off. Wait, now let's catch it. Go to more, catch. I thought it was items. Yeah. Oh, you can do more or items. And then I got to my team. Incredible, you win. Leveled him up. Now we use this. Wow, you didn't want to level up. We use the to do that. Now use one. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You level up, then you have to use one of these or different kind of stone shaped like it to actually completely level them up. And I got a new skill. You click on it and Firestorm. Actually, you know what? I might do a live thing on this, but not right now. That's Patrick. He also trains in the camp. Go battle him. Blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, here's another Pokeball or something. Capture. Here's something cool. Now I know what's on the outside. Okay. He has a level 1. Switch to things to just caught. But he doesn't even have a water attack. How come Patrick sucks? Oh my gosh. So you know this guy that I fought, he was level 2. Everyone here is level 2. Except for this guy. How did he catch it? Whatever. A fire type level 1. It's just weird. Yes, please stop. Dang it. We have the same attack, except I'm level 2. And you missed one. Yeah, I killed him. It was so easy. Oh, he's only halfway. And I got that, and that. Basically what that does, it gives me a cool attack. Let's face this guy. During battles, you can use item for turn. Use the skill you just got. It opens up an attack. Even if I'm a water type, I could use a fire type attack. Except it sucks. Oh my gosh. Should I catch him? No, he's too weak. I at least want like a level 2 or level 3 or something. Level him up. Why? Sucks. Tutor alert, tutor alert. Oh no. Looks like someone has broken into the camp. Go on and Chuck. Stay sharp. I just want my guy to level up. Chuck. Okay, so here's all the other stones. There's a water, fire, and grass. You use that in certain types of whatever they're called. I'm just gonna say Pokemon. It's easier. Pokemon and skills have types. Strong. Use the strong when possible. Yep. I don't even have an attack. He would be nice on my team. I want one of everything. One of every different kind. So if I see, like, there's a rock type, for instance. Maybe water is better against rock. I could use my water attack. But I haven't leveled up yet. Which is annoying. I don't want him to die. Critical, critical, critical! Dang it! Sorry. You know what's nice on like Pokemon? You could switch your guy and you won't lose your turn. Unlike Pokemon, you have to switch and you lose your turn. Or you don't have to, but you switch and you lose your turn. Gosh dang it. It's annoying. Yay, crit. Awesome, you win. Yes, level up, please. Okay, this is a move I was talking about. Mist, or frozen mist, or whatever. So basically, two clouds go together, deals damage to them, and you know what's awesome about it? It lowers your opponent's attack. There, that must be the intruder. Hold on. Hello. Now let's go to this guy, and let's kill him. Hello there, my name is Carmen. I came here for a reason. For years, humans were too coward to unleash the true potential of Pokemon. But I seek a power that is far greater. It's hard to pronounce their names, okay? Let's see how you handle one of my guards. You suck! I want that type. It looks so cool. Ah, dang it. Hold on. Let me do my other guy. Okay, look. It's strongest and it lowers his attack. Look at that. Did you not see that? Use it again. Miss. Two clouds go together. Three clouds. Lowers their attack. It's awesome. It's very, very helpful. One more. Critical attack. Lowers our attack. Ooh, fire guy. Die! That guy looks so cool though. It's like a fox. The next guy I have to fight is strong. Well, I mean, not as strong as me, but I want to get a grass fight. Hopefully I get one before, before I have to fight another guy. So yeah. Oh my gosh. He was so close. Very well. You won. But think of the power you are being denied. You can't understand. No matter. I must leave. Goodbye. All this talk about power, I don't like the sound of it. Hey, look. blah 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 has left something behind. I have no clue what that is. I still haven't found out. Oh yeah, it's a key. The key! It must be the reason blah 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 came here. There's an export in River Falls who can tell us what it is. Will you visit him? Good. Take care. He doesn't even let me decide. Well, anyway, you can say yes, but still, I can't even decide. Take care of yourself and your dynamos. Your journey begins, and I want to find online arena is now open. You could fight other champions left. I don't know what that is. But I want to go back. I want to go back. No. I want to go back though. How do I go back? I guess I have to. River Falls. No! Please! Great, you made it to River Falls. Find Dome, he might know more about the key. Hey you're a captain, right? Some men came to the village who are up to no good. Please help drive them away. Okay, let me get a grass type or something. Another water type. Can't I escape? Guess not. This is why I want a grass type. To deal with these types. You know, it's actually better to use this attack. I don't know if it does better or worse. You know, I'm just gonna fog these. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this. It lowers our attack, which is awesome. Why didn't I think of that before? I forgot about lowers our attack. Oh my gosh, he is right there. Right stinking there. Why is he not dead? If I got crit or did a little bit more damage, I would have won. Level up! I forget what his next attack is. Oh yeah, he doesn't get one. Dang it. Let's go back here. Oh good, it's a fire type. I hate that. Yeah, go down. I'm gonna beat you up. Okay, no. Wow. I just want a grass or a rock, any other type than water and fire. Because I already have them. I don't know if I could have as much as I want, but I at least want 3 Pokemon. So I keep saying Pokemon. Flame board, whatever. I like this. Please give me grass. Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! Now I just need to keep doing this, and then I'll finally get a grass. I think this is the guy I got before, because he has the same attack. Leaf strike, blah blah blah. Another miss, get him down. I'm gonna hit him one more time. Please don't kill him. Please don't kill him. Please don't kill him. No crit. Please, no crit. No crit. No crit. Yes! How I did it before is go to items and then do that. But now I know you can do that. Whatever. Yeah, catch up. Please, 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 please. Yay! It's easy because it's a level 3. You just use your mouse in this game. Boring, but actually pretty fun. So I got 3 people. Whatever his name is, and whatever his name is. All different types, basically. Let's go attack them. We are busy. Stop disturbing us. Oh, this is the level 9 one. I assume you came to find Dome.